We'll guide you through how to fix your mouse pointer or cursor not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as you're then unable to go and use your mouse. Maybe it's completely disappeared or it's just not moving. Don't worry, we've got some different fixes you can try, so make sure it's this full video. To go and get started, what you want to try doing is, if you can, unplug your mouse and replug it. Whether it's wired or wireless, and go and see if that solves the problem. Sometimes that can. The next fix you can try doing is pressing the Windows Start key and the X key together on your keyboard, and this list will open. Use your arrow keys and go down and select Device Manager and press Enter. Then press the Tab key, and with your arrow keys you need to go down and go and find Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Press the right arrow key to expand it. Go through each of these and press Enter. This will go and open up the Properties. Press Tab until you can get the top row selected and use the right arrow key to select Driver. Then start pressing Tab until you have Uninstalled Device selected. Press Enter and Enter again to confirm a decision, and it will be uninstalled. And you're just going to repeat that for each device. After you've done that for all of them, press the Windows Start key and you can press Tab until you have the bottom row selected. Use the arrow key to select the power button and press Enter, and you want to go and select Restart. When it restarts, your mouse should now be working.